Listen, honeys, are you ready for this Dollar Tree haul? Because only thing I know how to do is deliver. And there's words of the mother and the brother out here. Now let's get into this haul. You know when I put these on, that means that it's game over. Like Pac-Man, you get what I'm saying? Let's move our feet to the beat out in these streets. Let's go. I heard what you lovely folks said. You said, Dina, I want to be one of those cuties, but I'm on a budget. I said, oh, girl, no problem. No problem out in these Dollar Tree streets. So I heard you guys was looking for some press-on accessories. All right, we're going to start off with this. Dollar Tree has the metallic nail pen. This is the silver one. They also have a gold one as well. These are $1.25. So this next item that I'm finna show you guys damn near knocked the socks off of me. And I do have on socks. This next item shocked the mess out of me. Check this out. You know, I'm just saying, like, what is Dollar Tree doing? You know, what do they call themselves doing? You know, selling stuff like this. Thera, Plus Care, Cracked Heels, Dry Feet. Okay, if you got some crackety crack going on, don't look back. All right. This is the Cracked Heels Dry Feet Foot Mask Intense Moisture infused with shea butter and essential oils to help nourish and hydrate. This is $1.25. But honey, hold on, child. And it's one pair, so just FYI. Now, Dollar Tree also have the rough, calloused skin. All right, exfoliating foot mask, deep renewal infused with. A part of me want to say alpha. All right. Okay. Hydroxy acids, peppermint essential oils to help soften and exfoliate. Honey, they out here. They just showing out. This is giving me name brand vibes. You get what I'm saying? Hey, my love. So I heard that you guys was looking to be fancy on a budget. Okay, honey, we're in the right place. Dollar Tree. Moving our feet to the beat. Moving and grooving out in these Dollar Tree streets. Check these items out. So first off, Dollar Tree has these metal reindeer. Honey, just giving fancy all over the place. They also have these lanterns over here. I absolutely love these. They come in 3 different colors. They have the red, the white, and also the black. These are amazing, just in time for holidays. They also have these 38-inch Christmas tree skirts. These are gorgeous. Now, the colors they normally have is white, red, and then blue. It don't appear that they have any blues. You guys are looking to get your little ones something amazing for Christmas. Dollar Tree has the puzzle case with Bluey, 2 by 24 pieces. These are gorgeous. These are $5. Love that. Now, if you loves are really looking to make a statement this holiday season, Dollar Tree has the snowman trays over here, and these are gorgeous. How about $1.50? Now, they have different ones. They also have the snowflake one. This is gorgeous. I absolutely love this. Then they also have these round trays, jingle bells. Look at this. Honey, those mugs are giving, aren't they, on this tray? I wish Dollar Tree sold these type of mugs here. Honey, those are nice. These are $1.50 as well. They also have this one. And then they also have Santa. Look at Santa. Okay, with the snowman and the reindeer. Honey, they just moving and grooving about that life. Now, if you fancy folks are looking for some tablecloths, Dollar Tree definitely isn't a place to be. They have different types, different themes of tablecloths. Christmas themes, of course, love this. Dollar Tree also have these containers over here, festive wishes. Honey, make sure when you come to Dollar Tree, you grab your lids. You know, Dollar Tree has storage containers that are so inexpensive, especially when you comparing them to places like the Container Store. Honey, these containers are amazing. Now, if you guys are looking for some doopity doots that are definitely giving Pottery Barn vibes, it would be these plates over here. I love these. They also have the bowls over here as well. This has Pottery Barn dupe or written all over it. Love, peace, joy. These placemats, love these. They also have the oven mitts over here. if you guys are looking for the mugs, they have the mugs as well. Honey, this is just giving all the way around. Other fancy mugs they have. Dish drying mats. Love this. $1.50. Now, Dollar Tree also have these vintage lanterns. These are cute. Look at this. They also have the black one as well. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, to the bougie ones out there. These bowls over here, I absolutely love these. They are definitely given. This is putting me in a mind of Home Goods. You get what I'm saying? A little TJ Maxx going on up in there, right? Hobby Lobby, let me tell you something. These bowls are gorgeous. They have the red. They also have the green. They also have the gold and also the white. The white is new. I don't recall ever seeing the white. Dollar Tree is just out here. Now, they also have these 24-inch standing characters, the Elf, Santa, Frosty, and a bag. Honey, they just out here showing out. Now, if you good-looking folks are looking for some pajama pants, Dollar Tree has the ladies' holiday sleep pants. Now, these are $3, very, very soft. They have two different colors. They have the pink, and then they also have the blue. Honey, they ain't playing out here. Now, if you guys are looking to make a statement, Dollar Tree has the 5 pop-up Christmas cards over here. I absolutely love these. Honey, this is giving vintage, right? They also have these 14-inch LED tabletop decors. These are so, so cute, especially the gingerbread man. Honey, isn't he moving and grooving? And look at the Santa over here holding a Christmas tree with one hand. Santa like, this doesn't have anything. This tree doesn't have anything on me. Now, Dollar Tree just put out this wall art shaped as a heart. These are so cute. Honey, you can paint these. These are amazing. Really, really love this. Now, at my Dollar Tree location, honey, they done no swiper with the hand sanitizer, but they still have the hand sanitizer case, right? So if you guys are looking for these, they definitely have them. But honey, what fun is it if they don't have the actual Touchland dupe hand sanitizer? Now, if you guys are looking for some spaghettis when it comes to the hair bands, Dollar Tree definitely has them. These hair bands, they are $1.25. Love this. Honey, get into it if you really want to make a statement. All right? If you really want to pop out. Look at these. This is cute. I like this as well. They also have these claw clips. To me, there's a little too much going on with that one, okay? But they also have these fashion accessory claw clips. Now these I like. Really cute. Now if you gorgeous folks are looking for some socks, I like this. The Bob Ross. Honey, with the afro. Honey, it's just giving me ain't no stopping us now vibes, okay? With the paintbrush. Giving me this supposed to be a pic, but okay. They also have the Smarties. You know, I don't really care for those. Betty Bop, they also have. They also have the Razzles. Look at this. Dum Dums. They also have Hershey's. Ooh, the Hershey socks I absolutely love. Charleston shoes. Was thinking Charleston shoes was peanut shoes and it's not. They also have the dots over here. Dots I like. Jolly Ranchers. Elvis. Coca-Cola. Earheads, Mike and Ike's, Twizzlers, Blow Pops is just given. Now Dollar Tree also have these nail art tips. You get 12 pieces for $1.25. Nail decals over here. These are cute. Now, if you want to get your shimmer on, Dollar Tree also have the chrome powder. I like this mirrored chrome, $1.25. They also have the neutral collection press-on nails. 12 pieces, $1.25. Now, the ones that I like is definitely these. These are so cute. 12 of these from Pretty Woman for $1.25. Now, if you guys are looking for a great milk dupe, this is the lip jelly and cheek tint. Love this stuff right here. This is $1.25. I heard what you lovely folks said. You said Dina, I want to be one of those cuties, but I'm on a budget. I said, oh girl, no problem. No problem out in these Dollar Tree streets. Elephant dupe? Yes. Okay, so this is the whipped recovery cream at Dollar Tree for $1.25, honey. They also have the Dermasil Hydro Serum. This has blueberry extract in there. Really, really good. They also have the Melon Jelly Cleanser, sulfate free. Honey, this is like the gift that just keeps on giving. They also have the face serum, $1.25 from Dermasil, and then they also have the eye roller. Okay, now this is the multi-vitamin eye roller, $1.25. Honey, clock that tea. Now, I keep on telling you folks, if you come across the Daydreaming Ione Beauty Bar, honey, few items. pH Kiss Balm, Chef Kiss, excellent, absolutely amazing. Now, they also have the lip plumpers over here, hyaluronic acid. These are $1.25. This has the candy apple and a honey ginger. They also have the brow gel. Now, I have the brow gel from Ione from the Daydreaming collection, but the one I have is clear. And then they also have the Moana 2 scented lip balm and scented nail polish. Now, this don't go here, but we just gonna overlook this, all right? Scented lip balm and 2 scented nail polishes they have over here, Lido and Stitch. Love this. Really, really cute. This makes a great stocking stuffer. Okay, so if you guys are looking for some press-on nails, Dollar Tree has the LA Colors, the artificial nail tips, cat eye effect and jelly finish. So this is giving plain Jane a little, 12 pieces for $1.25. I am more so of a red girl. Love this. These are cute. They also have the Sugar Crush. They also have the Jelly Beer. And then these gorgeous nail gems plus the kids. These are $1.25 as well. Now, if you guys are looking for some nail polish and nail files, these vivid and bright colors, Dollar Tree definitely is delivering. Dazzling and Razzling, glitter nail polish, and sheer jelly nail polish. Honey, they out here. Now, if you have some pain going on, Dollar Tree said, listen, pain relieving patches. I have never tried these a day in my life, but this is what it says, extra strength. They also have the medicated pain relief patch over here. Now, they also have the Tiger Balm over here as well, pain relieving patch. And what about these hot hands? You gonna be outdoors this season, honey, you better get you some hot hands. This next item that I'm finna show you guys damn near knocked the socks off of me, and I do have on socks. This next item shocked the mess out of me. Check this out. So when I seen this, I said, say what? So Dollar Tree is now carrying a Tyson, the honey barbecue flavored boneless chicken bites. Now these are $5, just FYI. Now another item that Dollar Tree has is this Tropicana. This is $2.50 orange blend, rich in vitamin C from concentrate. Honey, this is giving me cheaper than 7-Eleven vibes. Okay? That's what it's doing for me. Now, if you folks are looking for a really good microfiber mitt, Dollar Tree has the microfiber dusting mitt. These are $1.50. You can use these either wet or dry. Now, since the holidays are upon us, you may want to come to Dollar Tree and get these food containers. Now, these are $1.50. And when I first seen these, I was like, must be like a shoebox or something. Honey, you can put all the goods up in here. The baked mac and cheese, the collard greens, the dressing, all right, the candy yams, all of it. Now, Dollar Tree also have the McCormick storage containers as well. These are $1.50. Okay, and they deep. All right, so